Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update firmware on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So first, we want to open up the Zepp app right here. And after we open up the app, we want to go over to Device. Here in Device, we want to scroll down until we see General right at the bottom. And here we want to click on System Update. As you guys can see, my version is the latest for this watch and it's 2.14.0.1. But if there's a new version, then this is where you guys can find the installer. Here you will see the button to update it, and then your watch will simply update to the newest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.